ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय आण्वशाखीय बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद प्रथमोध्याय. In that we are seeing fifth Brahmana. What is the name of the Brahmana? Saptanna Brahmana. Page number 385. Tika. So the Pita, who is Maranasanna, has done Samprati Karma, done everything, so that Putra is now ready to do all the karmas. Putra said, Aham Brahma, Aham Yajnaha, Aham Lokaha. Everything he has taken. And Pita has become Prithvi Agnyadhyatma. How? Bhinna Ghata Pradipa Prakashvat. He has entered in all. Tika, first line. Vagadishu Avishteshu api कुतो अर्थांतरस्य पितुरावेशधीरित्याशंक्याः. वागादिषु आविष्टेषु अपि. Pita has entered in Vagadi, etc. Vagadishu avishteshu api kuto अर्थांतरस्य पितुः आवेशधीः. Arthantara, anyadartham, in other things, how he has entered. Pituhu aveshaha means praveshaha. How praveshadhihi, how such buddhi will come. Iti ashankyaha. वांग मनः प्राणः स्वेन आदिदैविकेन रूपेण पृथिव्यज्ञाध्यात्मना भिन्न घट प्रदीप प्रकाशवत् सर्वम आविशन्ति. पितुः वांग मनः प्राणः, father's वांग मनः प्राण, because father was also upasaka, so they enter in all. सर्वम आविशन्ति. तद्भावित्वम. Further, तैहि प्राणै, in भाष्य, तैहि प्राणैहि सह पिता अपि आविशति. वांगमन प्राणात्म भावित्वात् पितुः. Along with those prana, Pita also enters in all. Why? Because he is of the nature of Vangmana prana. Vangmana pranatma bhavi he is. What does that mean? Tad bhavitvam eva spurayati. So in Tika it is said, it is explained further in Bhashya. This is the bhavana of Pita when he was alive. Means this is how he was doing upasana. Aham asmi ananta वांग मन प्राणा अध्यात्मादि भेद विस्तारा इति एवं भावितो ही पिता. This was his bhavanam, this was his upasanam. Aham asmi anantaha वांग मन प्राणाः अध्यात्मादि भेद विस्तारा. I am all these infinite वांग मन प्राणाः, means I am in all, I pervade all. Adhyatmadi bheda vistara. Adhyatma, Adhidaiva, Adhibhuta. So we saw earlier, like Agni, Aditya, Prithvi, Chandrama, all those things, they were Vangmana, Pranaha, their Adhidaiva Rupa, अधिभूत रूप, these are अध्यात्म आदि भेद विस्तार. So a Vedic Purusha does some sort of such upasanas for long time, and because of that upasana at marana kala also he does not have bhaya. In the present world, if he has done Ishwar upasana, Saguna Brahma upasana, and he is ashrita, he is sharanagata in his Ishtadevata, then Bhagavan will give me right gati, I don't have to worry. Bhavana phalam aha. What is the phalam of this bhavana? Bhavana is strilinga. When you do bhavanam, you lut pratyayanta rupa. Bhavanam, bhavana, same. Bhavana, if you want to say upasanam, bhavanam. Upasana, bhavana. Bhavana phalam aha. तस्मात् तत्प्राणानुवृत्तित्वं पितुर्भवति इति युक्तमुक्तम् एभिरेव प्राणैः सह पुत्रम् आविशति इति. What is the phalam of such upasana? तस्मात् तत्प्राणानुवृत्तित्वं पितुर्भवति. पितुः प्राण अनुवृत्तित्वं भवति. पिता becomes प्राण अनुवृत्तित्व, अनुवृत्तिः. इति युक्तम उक्तम. This is said appropriately. Ebihi eva pranaihi saha putram avishati. Therefore, along with these pranas, he enters into his son with upasana balam. Putra visheshanat parichinnatvam pitus tadavastham iti ashankyaha. Then somebody says, if he has entered into his son, then he is still parichinna only. Where sarvesham avishanti? You said sarvam avishanti earlier. Putra visheshanat parichinnatvam pituhu. Father is still parichinna then. It is tadavastham iti ashankyaha. Sarvesham hi asau atma bhavati. Putrasya cha. He becomes the atma of all at the level of Virat Hiranyagarbha, Sthula Sukshma level, and of the Putra also. Atma here does not mean Satchidananda Rupena. Putra Rupena atra sthitim eva vibhajate. Before that, Mritasya Pituhu in Tika. Mritasya Pitur ito lokad vyavrittasya katham yathokta rupatvam iti ashankyaha. Mritasya Pituhu, Pita who is Mrita, ito lokad vyavrittasya. Itah lokad asmat lokad vyavrittasya. Here, when he has withdrawn from this world, katham yathokta rupatvam, how he is still there in his rupam, yathokta rupatvam, putratmatvam, how he is there in the form of his putra. Etad uktam bhavati. Yasya pitur evam anushishtah putro bhavati. So, अस्मिन्नेव लोके वर्तते पुत्र रूपेण नैव मृतो मंतव्यः इत्यर्थः. That father who has son of this nature, who is anushishta, yasya pituhu evam anushishta putro bhavati, saha, saha kaha, सः पिता पुत्र रूपेण अस्मिन्नेव लोके वर्तते, देन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हिज सन ही इज स्टिल अलाइव इन दिस वर्ल्ड, नैव मृतो मंतव्यः. भाष्यकार says he should not be considered as dead and gone. He is there. टीका मृतो अपि नो पुत्र रूपेण अत्र स्थितिमेव विभजते, नैव मृतो मंतव्यः इत्यर्थः. पुत्र रूपेण ही स्थिति इज देयर, न मृतः. मृतो अपि पिता अनुशिष्ट पुत्रात्मना अत्र वर्तते, न अस्माद् अत्यन्तं व्यावृत्तः फल रूपेण च परत्र इति भावः. मृतो अपि पिता, फादर, इवन दो फिजिकली ही इज मृतः, अनुशिष्ट पुत्रात्मना अत्र वर्तते. Anushishta word is very important. Just like that, in any putra, he will not continue. Anushishta putra who has done this samprati karma with his father. Father has given the charge, he has taken it. In that putra, he will be there. Anushishta putratmana atra vartate. Na asmad atyantam vyavrittah phalarupena cha paratra iti bhava. Therefore, asmad lokat atyantam vyavrittah na, is completely not gone from here. Phalarupena cha, in the form of phalam, to some other loka. Paratra iti bhavaha. So he is still alive. Ukte arthe aitareya shrutim samvadayati. In this context, aitareya shruti is given. Tatha cha shrutyantare. So अस्यायम इतर आत्मा पुण्येभ्यः कर्मभ्यः प्रतिधीयते इति. सः they have given in tippani number 1, द्वौ आत्मानौ भवतः स्वदेह पुत्रदेहश्च इति. तयोर्मध्ये अस्य पितुः, there are two atmas. One is himself, one is his putra's sharira. One's sharira, putra sharira, two. Of these two, तयोर्मध्ये अस्य पितुः स पूर्वोक्तः अयम प्रत्यक्षः आत्मा. अस्य पितुः सह पूर्वोक्तः आत्मा प्रत्यक्ष आत्मा. पुत्रदेह पुण्येभ्यः शास्त्रोक्तेभ्यः कर्मभ्यः अग्निहोत्रादिभ्यः तन्निष्पादनार्थं प्रतिधीयते. प्रतिधीयते मीन्स प्रतिनिधि रूपेण क्रियते. पुत्रदेह is for punya, शास्त्रोक्त कर्म, अग्निहोत्रादि, to accomplish all this. Putra deha is another atma. पित्रा यत् कर्तव्यं तत् करणाय प्रतिनिधित्वेन स्वगृहे स्थाप्यत इत्यर्थः. पित्रा, by the father, whatever is कर्तव्यम, yet to be done, तत् करणाय, to do that, प्रतिनिधित्वेन स्वगृहे स्थाप्यते. As a प्रतिनिधि, he is put there. So that is the meaning of this Aitareya Shruti. The father, so asya ayam itara atma. Itara atma means this other atma. One sharira is there. For the other putra sharira, in that, for what? Punyabhyaha karmabhyaha pratidhiyate. For the punya karma, he is made their pratinidhi. In tika, षष्ठी प्रथमाभ्याम पिता पुत्रा उच्यते. षष्ठी प्रथमाभ्याम पिता पुत्रा उच्यते. वेरी षष्ठी अस्य and prathama ayam, which is itara atma. All of them are prathama. So by that pita putra uchyate. So prathama is who? Online students, who is indicated by Shashti.
Father, Pita.
And prathama?
Ayam Itala Atma means son.
Putra. Correct. And there it is given pita putra uchyate. Pita putra. What should have been there? Pita putrau uchyate. Right? There is another part also, vuchyate. 9 number tippani says, vuchyate iti patha. Echoyavaya is there. स यदि इत्यादि वाक्यम अवतार्य व्याकरोति. Now, next part of the mantra is स यदि. अथ इदानीं पुत्र निर्वचनम आह. Now, how the putra word is formed, that is given. सपुत्रो यदि कदाचित् अनेन पित्रा अक्षणया छिद्रतो अंतराकृतं भवति कर्तव्यम्. सह पुत्रः यदि कदाचित् अनेन पित्रा, by his father, अक्षणया कोणछिद्रतो. Koणछिद्र means the hole in the corner. Literal meaning is that. Means in some yajna, in some performance, some kartavya, ekadesha of that karma is not completed properly. That is called akshana. Akshana means some shortcoming is there. By that akshanaya, tritiya. So because of the short fall of the father, he did not do the karma completely. Antara akritam kartavyam bhavati. Tasmat कर्तव्यता रूपात पित्रा अकृतात् सर्वस्मा लोक प्राप्ति प्रतिबंध रूपात पुत्रो मोचयति. तत्स्वरम सर्वम स्वयं अनुतिष्ठन पूरयित्वा. So when Pita is not able to complete everything, अकृतात् सर्वस्मात् लोकात् लोक प्राप्ति प्रतिबंध रूपात्. So that Pita will be stopped from any loka prapti because he did not complete this, he did not do this completely. This kona chidra, sometimes you see, the door is there or window is there, you close. Then there is chidra on the side somewhere. In between there is enough gap for the cold air to come. Door is closed, but kona chidras are there. That is akritam karma. Something is not done properly. So then putra releases that father. Munchati means mochayati. How? Tat swarvam swayam anutishtan purayitva. presiding over it, he will complete everything. In this way, he will release the father from the pratibandha, means father will get the appropriate loka. टीका अकृतम अकृतात् इति च छेदः. Where is अकृतम? Antara akritam bhavati, that akritam, and akritat in the next sentence. So it is there in both. तस्माद् इति प्रतीकम् आदाय व्याकरोति. तस्मात् पूरणेन त्रायते सः पितरम. यस्मात् तस्मात् पुत्रो नाम. पूरणेन त्रायते इति पुत्रः. दिस इज द व्युत्पत्ति. What does he do? Puranam? Whatever karma father did not complete, that he will fulfill. Puranena trayate saha putraha. Tadeva prapanchayati. Idam tatputrasya putratvam yat pitushchidram purayitva trayate. This is called putrasya putratvam. What is that? Pituhu chidram purayitva, of the father, whatever is the shortcoming, he will fill that and trayate. Purayitva trayate. Trayate from chidra prayukta pratyavayat. So that shortcoming will create pratyavaya. Therefore, his loka prapti is pratibadha. They are stopped. Tika. Putrena etal loka jayam upasamharati. So it was said putrena ayam loko jayah. That topic is being concluded now. Sapita evam vidhena putrena amrutopi san amruto asminneva loke pratitishthati iti evam asau pita putrena imam manushya lokam jayati. So that pita, because he continues to live through his son, because he is anushishta. Evam vidhena putrena mrutopi san amruto asminneva loke pratitishthati. In this world, as if he is amrita, he continues to live. In this way, evam asau pita putrena imam manushya lokam jayati. Yathoktat putrat vidya karmanor vishesham aha. So three things were there now: sadhana, putra, karma, vidya. So from putra, how vidya karma, or from vidya karma, how putra, they are different. Putrat vidya karmanor vishesham aha. From putra, vidya and karma are different. How they are different? न तथा विद्या कर्मभ्याम देवलोक पितृलोकौ स्वरूप लाभ सत्ता मात्रेण. विद्या कर्मभ्याम, with the help of vidya and karma, देवलोक पितृलोक स्वरूप लाभ सत्ता मात्रेण is not there. Just like how putra satta matrena, if he is there, and satta matrena means he is anushishta, he does everything, then he will continue. Devaloka Pitraloka is not like that. You have to do everything, karma upasana. Then, when those karmas become ready, then you will get Devaloka Pitraloka. Satta matrena Swarupa Labha is not there. कथन तरहि ताभ्याम पिता तौ जयति. कथन तरहि ताभ्याम, ताभ्याम विद्या कर्मभ्याम, विद्या कर्मभ्याम पिता तौ, तौ कौ
देवलोक पितृलोकौ.
jayati. So those who are trying to study some Vyakarana also, this is another aspect you have to learn. Whenever there are Sarvanama Shabda, Tabhyam, Tau, you have to see which Nama comes there and try to do the Anvaya. Then only you will be able to do independent reading of such Bhashya, Tika, etc. Because you may know sutras, but you also have to do this Anvaya. तत्राह स्वरूप लाभ सत्ता मात्रेण तदेव स्फुटयति न हि विद्या कर्मणि स्वरूप लाभ व्यतिरेकेण पुत्रवद व्यापारांतरापेक्षया लोकजय हेतुत्वं प्रतिपद्येते. विद्या कर्मणि, विद्या एंड कर्म, स्वरूप लाभ व्यतिरेकेण पुत्रवद व्यापारांतरापेक्षया लोकजय हेतुत्वं न प्रतिपद्येते. He will not become lokajaya hetu without any vyaparantar apeksha. Means vyaparantar apeksha is there. In putra, for ayan loka prapti, it is sarala. That is given. अनुशिष्ट पुत्रेण एतल लोकजैनम पितरम अधिकृत्य अथ एनम इत्यादि वाक्यम तद व्याकरोति. अनुशिष्ट पुत्रेण, by अनुशिष्ट पुत्र, एतल लोकजैनम पितरम अधिकृत्य, एतत् लोकजयी पितर, पिता पितरम अधिकृत्य अथ एनम इत्यादि वाक्यम तद व्याकरोति. So then in the mantra अथ एनम is there. अथ एनम एते वागादय देवाः अमृता भवन आविशन्ति, like that the vakya is there in the mantra. In bhashya अथ कृत संप्रत्तिकम पितरम एनम एते वागादयः प्राणा देवा दीर्घ, सॉरी दैवा दीर्घ, दैवा हैरण्यगर्भा अमृता अमरण धर्माण आविशन्ति. कृत संप्रत्तिकम, कृत संप्रत्तिकम, how will you do vigraha?
कृता संप्रत्तिः येन सह कृतसंप्रत्तिकः तं कृतसंप्रत्तिकम्.
कृता संप्रत्तिः येन, येन केन?
पितरं
Pitra.
पित्रा. We saw earlier in the tippani pitra shabda is there. Tritiya. येन पित्रा सह कृत संप्रत्तिकः तं कृत संप्रत्तिकं पितरम एनम एते. So the mantra is on which page? Hmm?
381.
अथ एनम एते दैवाः is given. So enam is व्याख्येय. Vyakyanam is what is Vyakyanam? Enam is there in the mantra.
एते वागादयः
Pitaram.
No, Pitaram. Pitaram Krita Samprattikam is Vyakyanam. First Vyakyanam is given, then Vyakhya is given. Enam, how will be Ete? Enam Krita Samprattikam Pitaram. So Bhashyakar first gave Vyakyanam, then he gave Pratika from the mantra. Ete Vagadayah Pranaha Daivaha Hiranyagarbha. They have become one with Hiranyagarbha Upasaka, and therefore Apekshika Amrita Amarana Dharmana Avishanti. Amarana Dharmana. न मरण धर्माणः इति अमरण धर्माणः. Two padas are there. First pada is marana. Second is what is the pada?
Tharman.
So dharma shabda is not nakaranta shabda. Pratipadika is not dharman. Dharma shabda. Right? So there is a Vishesha Sutra, Dharmad Anich Kevalat. Dharmad Anich Kevalat. Sutra number 54124. What this sutra does is, if the dharma shabda is there in samasa as uttarapada, then anich will come, and therefore it will become dharman. So then dharmana is possible. They have given drishtanta as nivritti dharma, etc. Priya dharma, kalyana dharma. Then it will go as dharma dharmano dharmana in this way. So marana jash, dharma jash is prathama bahuvachan rupa. And then this sutra is applied. They become amrita. Tika putra prakarana vichhedartho atha shabda. So this atha shabda in tika, in mantra, is for putra prakarana vichhedartha. Putra prakarana is over. Pita gets his own gati now. Further, आवेश प्रकार बुभुत्सायाम उत्तर वाक्य प्रवृत्तिम प्रतिजानीते. आवेश प्रकार, how has he entered into this vagadaya, prana, etc. So उत्तर वाक्य प्रवृत्ति प्रतिज्ञा is done. कथम इति वक्ष्यति, कथम आविशन्ति इति वक्ष्यति. पृथिव्यै चैनम अग्नेश्च दैवी वागाविशति सा वै देवी वाग यया यद्यदेव वदति तत्तद् भवति. In Prithvi and in Agni, this Daivi Vak has entered. Daivi means that Hiranyagarbha Rupa Vak. What is Daivi Vak? How it is different from the other? Savai Devi Vak. Yaya yad yad vadati tat tat bhavati. But he says, this is not happening for me. Whatever I say, nothing happens. Because you are not doing this upasana. All the unnecessary things that we speak, and then we don't get the phalam. This upasaka, whatever he will speak will happen. And they normally speak very less. They are very good. And those who speak more, you see, they are called Vavadukaha in Bhashya. I mean, that is not in this context, but they are called Vavadukaha. पृथिव्यै टीका पृथिव्यै च इत्यादि वाक्यस्य व्यावर्त्यं पक्षं वृत्तानुवादपूर्वकम् उत्थापयति. पृथिव्यै च, दिस वाक्यस्य व्यावर्त्य पक्ष, what is going to be eliminated, that paksha is said first. Then that will be refuted by this mantra. Vyavartyam paksham vrittanuvadapurvakam utthapayati. What is said, its anuvada is being done. Bhashya. एवं पुत्र कर्मा परविद्यानां मनुष्य लोक पितृलोक देवलोक साध्यार्थता प्रदर्शिता श्रुत्या स्वयमेव अत्र केचिद् वावदूकाः श्रुत्युक्त विशेषार्थ अनभिज्ञाः सन्तः पुत्रादि साधनानां मोक्षार्थतां वदन्ति. पुत्र कर्म and apar vidya, they are the sadhana for manushya loka, pitraloka, devaloka, sadhyarthata pradarshita, shrutya swayam eva. Shruti has shown this. Putrena ayam loko jayah, then karmana pitraloka, vidya devaloka. Jayah, what is the sutra? What is the sutra for Jaya?
Kshatriya Jayo Swarathe.
Kshaya Jayo?
Swarathe.
Shakyartha.
Swarathe.
Swarthe?
Yes. Swarathe.
Shakyartha. Atra kechid vavadukaha. Vavadukaha here are Mimamsakas. Vavadukaha shabda, there is Unadi Sutra. Ulukadayascha uk. In Vavaduka also there is uk. 441. Vavaduko Vakta. Ulukadayascha uka. This is the sutra. What do they say? They are Shruti Ukta Vishesha Artha Anabhignaha. Shruti Ukto Visheshartho Na Jnato Yena. Anabhignya means Na Abhignaha. In this way. You will have to do separately. Shrutyukta Visheshartho Anabhignato Yena. Te Shrutyukta Visheshartha Anabhignaha. Santaha. What do they say? Putradi sadhananam moksharthatam vada. Putradi sadhana will give you moksha. Because their idea of moksha is some loka prapti. So they will say this is how we think. But moksha means this is not real moksha. Tika. Atra iti Vaidikan nirdharayitum saptami. Atra kechit, that atra Vaidikan nirdharayitum. They are also Vaidika. बहुवदनशीलत्वे हेतुः श्रुत्युक्त इति. Shrutyukta Vishesha Artha Anabhignya. They talk too much. They talk too much because Mimamsa portion is much bigger compared to Vedanta. Brahma Sutra has 4 chapters. Dharma Sutras had 12. And then there are 4 additional. So like that, lot of sutras are there. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.